ሰላም ተማሪዎች እንደምን አላችሁ? ዛሬ የወርድ ፕሮብሌም which uses equation apply የሚያደርግ ወርድ ፕሮብሌም ይዤላችሁ መጥቻለሁ። Let us see together. It says that a truck carries a load of 50 boxes. Some are 20 kg, the rest are 25 kg boxes. If the total weight all boxes is 1175 kg, then how many of each type are there? ለዚህ 50 ቦክሶች አሉ። ኬሪ ማድረግ የሚችለው ትራኩ እያንዳንዳቸው 20 ኪሎግራም ይዛል። for one type the other is 25 kilogram box ይዛል። if total weighታቸው 1175 ከሆነ how many of each type are there now? So let be x is equals boxes of weight የሚያደርጉ ስንት 20 kilo and let it be y is boxes of weight which are 25 kilo. So we know that this is number of boxes of weight 20 kilogram, number of boxes of weight 25 kilogram. ስለዚህ 20 እና 25 ኪሎግራም የሚሆኑ የቦክሶች ብዛት ብለን በዛ አይነት መንገድ መግለጽ እንችላለን። So the total number of boxes that the truck carries 50 box ነው። This shows that x plus y is equals to 50 if the total weight means one box of x carries what 20 kilogram. So if I have n number of boxes that means 20x የአንዱ ኪሎግራም ቦክስ in case of x 20 ከመዘነ ሁለት ቢሆኑ 40 3 ቢሆኑ 60 እያለ n ከሆኑ ምን ይሆናል 20 times x ይሆናል ማለት plus the case of y also the same 25 times y is equals to 1175. Now it becomes what system of linear equation ሆነ if it is a system of linear equation we can solve this using what cancellation method or substitution method or Cramer's rule or whatever you want የፈለጋችሁትን መንገድ በመጠቀም you can solve it. This is equivalent with x plus y is equals to 50. We divide this both sides by 5 እዚህ ጋር 5 የጋራ ስላለን 20 divided by 5 is 4x plus 25 divided by 5 that is 5y is equals to divide this one 1175 divided by 5 this is twice this is 10 this is 117 how many times that is 3 here is 15 take 2 25 divided by 5 that is 5 here ስለዚህ this is equivalent with ሁሉንም ተርሞች እዚህ ጋር second equation divided by 5 it becomes 4x plus 5y is equals to 235 ይሆናል ማለት after that we can solve this using cancellation or substitution method apply ማድረግ እንችላለን. Let's try to apply cancellation method apply ብናደርግ let's multiply this by -4. It becomes this is equals -4x minus 4y is equals to -200 and second one here is 4x plus 5y is equals to 235. Now we can take the sum of this since we want to cancel x's cancel ማድረግ ስለሆነ የምንፈልገው -4x plus 4x that is 0 -4y plus 5y that is y is equals to 235 minus 200 this is equals to 35. Then what about x is equals to 50 minus y which is equals 50 minus 35 is 15. Therefore number of boxes which weigh 20 gram is that is 15. Number of boxes which weigh 25 kilogram is 35. Therefore each type are 15 and 35 with respectively weighting number of weight 20 and 25 kilogram respect. ስለዚህ መጀመሪያ number of boxes weigh 20 kilogram let it be x ብለናል. number of boxes which weigh 25 kilogram let it be y ብለናል. then after that it becomes system of linear equation ይሆናል። system of linear equation using cancellation method or substitution method or Cramer's rule ላይ ማድረግ solve ማድረግ እንችላለን ማለት. Let us see the next. It says that the product of two number is 5 and if their sum is 9/2 then find the numbers. It says let it be x and y be the two numbers. So this means x times y the product means that is x times y equals 5. Their sum means this is x plus y is equals to 9/2. After that we use substitution method. From the second equation y is equals to 9/2 minus x. ስለዚህ ይሄንን 9/2 minus x ን እንተካዋለን። የመጀመሪያው ኢኩዌሽን ላይ x times y is equal 5 ስንተካው what this is equals x into y means 9/2 minus x is equals to 5 ይሆናል. what this is equals x into 9 minus twice of x LCM 2 ስንወስድ divide by 2 is equals to 5 ይሆናል ማለት ነው። distribute this one. When you distribute, here is 1. Multiply both sides by 2, it becomes 9x minus twice of x square is equals to 10. Equal, let's try to collect them in one side. Since this becomes 2x square minus 9x plus 10 is equals to 0 ይሆናል። ፈለጋችሁ ይሄን ኮሌክት አድርጋችሁ በኔጌቲቭ ማባዛት ትችላላችሁ። Here we have this is on this side 9x minus 2x square minus 10 ይሆናል። Multiply both sides by negative ስናባዛ it becomes 2x square minus 9x plus 10 is equal to 0. You'll try to find two numbers whose sum is negative 9 and their product is 20 የሚሆኑ ቁጥሮች ስንወስድ this is 2x square minus 4x minus 5x plus 10 is equals to 0. ሲደመሩ ኔጌቲቭ 9 ሲባዙ 20 የሚሰጡ ቁጥሮች ኔጌቲቭ 4 እና ኔጌቲቭ 5 ይሆናሉ ማለት ነው። From this we take the common one is 2x. ይህን ስንወስድ 2x is common. What remains? It is x minus 2. When you come to here, negative 5 is common. Negative 5 into x minus 2 is equals to 0. Another common x minus 2. X minus 2 slide in both cases. You have x minus 2 times 2x minus 5 is equals to 0. Then what the value of x? X is equals to 2 or x is equals to 5 over 2. The value of x here is 2 or 5 over 2. Check it whether it satisfies or not. You know that 2 times 5 over 2, this it is 5. 2 plus 5 over 2, the LCM is 2 times 2, 4. 4 plus 5, 9 over 2. Yes, it is correct. Therefore, the numbers are, what are they? 2 and 5 over 2. በዚህ አይነት መንገድ ፕሮብሌሞችን ሶልቭ ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ። ስለዚህ ቻናሉን ሰብስክራይብ፣ ሼር፣ ላይክ ማድረጋችሁን አትርሱ። ማንኛውም ተመሳሳይ ጥያቄ ካላችሁ ኮሜንት ላይ አስቀምጡልን። ባይ ባይ።